So we had a sad situation where a lady was accused of stealing a phone, all right, and she went to take her own life. And a few days later, we found out that that phone was taken by somebody else. So, but the lady is already gone, right? The innocent lady is gone. So, I want to talk about something here that will totally change how you confront people. If somebody is accusing you of something wrongly, accuse them of the same thing immediately. They know what they are doing by giving you false accusation or suspecting you falsely. Pull the same card. What are you waiting for? If you accuse me of stealing a phone now, best believe I'm switching it up on your head immediately. I'll say I saw you with my 2 eyes stealing the phone, and I was telling you not to take it, and you said no, so that you start defending yourself too. Which one be kill myself? I cannot kill myself. I cannot come and kill myself. Do you understand what I'm saying, right? Same thing with debates. If you're in an argument or debate and somebody is pulling up a fallacy against you, any logical fallacy, any of the known fallacies in debates, use it against them, bro. If they are gaslighting you, gaslight the hell out of them. That's street for you. You understand? Gaslight them. If they are pretending that they don't understand what you are trying to, the point you're trying to make, start pretending. Forget about making any other extra point. Start pretending that you don't understand what they're saying. If they say a word, twist that word. Since that's what they started, right? You can't be here fighting. You can't be here fighting with somebody that is here. The person is purposely staying here so they can fight dirty, and you're trying to fight intelligently, maturely, logically. Bro, if the person comes down here, fight dirty. If it's pig fight you want, we'll give you full pig fight. You understand? If you're walking on the road, this thing is common in Nigeria, right? It was common until police arrested about 20 persons before everybody calmed down. You can be walking on the road and a random young man will start accusing you of stealing his private part. Real story. That his private part is missing. People won't even confirm. They will start beating you before you know it. You are lynched. You are RIP. You understand? So, what do you do if somebody throws such a false accusation on you in the middle of the market when you know that the mentality of the people is to lynch? What would you do? Now you are getting what I'm saying, right? If somebody falsely accuses you, you have to falsely accuse them too. If you say I steal your prick, I'll say you stole my prick. My prick is missing too. So is either they confirm both of our prick or they lynch you, not me, right? Rather you than me. Because only you, in that condition, only you knows that this guy is lying. And only that guy knows that he's lying too. So two of you know that one of you is lying, but the rest of the people are confused. So if it's happening to you, the only way you can get out of that situation is to switch it. Some people are in the office space today and they're accused of something really terrible. Bro, accuse the person back. I'll tell you a story, right? I actually learned this thing from my friend. He's now a lawyer now. Funny life, right? So we were younger and this guy was accused of something and they were going to kick him out, right? Of the system. Do you know what he did? He told me one night, come. I came, he said, come, let's go and submit a petition. What? He wrote a petition against the lead guy that was accusing him. Anonymous petition. And accused the guy of the most heinous crime in the whole world. Anonymously, he went to the management and slipped it through the door. You understand? So that when the manager opens the door, the first thing he's going to see is that letter on the ground. 24 hours, the guy was fired. You understand? 24 hours, the guy was fired. Like my guy stayed, so the guy he wrote the petition against was fired. He pulled up an Uno reverse card. So if somebody has decided that what they're going to do against you is evil, you should match evil for evil. Stop crying and say, what did I do wrong? I did not take it. As they're accusing you, they are shouting, you are the one that took it. Turn the thing immediately. Start pointing them. In fact, provide evidence. Say, yes, I saw you. I saw you. I saw it with my 2 eyes. I saw you taking it. Let them. The moment you say it, you see them reverse into defense. Let them start defending themselves. That's offensive, bro. Let me tell you, when somebody's accusing you of something bad, the more you say you did not do it, the more people will think you did it. Do you understand? The more you're saying I did not do it, people will be like, he sounds suspicious. You say I did not do it. They'll say like, he sounds like he did it. The more you try to defend yourself, bro. So if somebody is accusing you, start accusing them too. Two of you understand the game that is being played. Others don't understand. Confuse everybody. That person put everything on his head. If he's lying against you, they have removed. That person has removed all barriers. You can pull up any lie against them. If you lie that I stole this phone, right? I will lie that I saw you during a robbery. In fact, both of us went for a robbery. I'll lie that you're a kidnapper and I saw you told me that you kidnapped somebody, and if we go to your house now, we'll see the person. And let everybody go to your house. Maybe you have even removed the person. Do you understand? Once the person has pulled up any negative card against you, they have removed all barriers. Come up with anything. That's the only thing that can save you there. Stop defending yourself. Do you understand? You're thinking that posterity will judge. Which posterity? I'm judging you now. Which one is posterity will judge? If you said I stole $20 billion and I know I did not steal it, bro, you stole 40. I know where the evidence is. Let us go and check. You told me where you told me by yourself where you kept the 40 billion. I don't know when you stole it, but you are the one that told me that. Let them go and verify. If you're in an organization and one person, sometimes you're working in an organization, one person just mean you. The person just hates you. And you can actually see that they are doing something to take you out. Bro, do something to take them out. I'll tell you, I was in an organization, one guy that was like 2 levels above me, the guy just hated me from nowhere. Maybe I resemble somebody that did something bad to him in his past life. He just hated me. So one day, something happened. I'm trying not to give details so that people that know us will not know the person I'm talking about. You get what I'm saying, right? So we got to he reported me for a certain offense. We got to the manager's office, right? The person that would judge the thing. So instead of the person kicking me out of the organization, he decided to give me a task as a punishment, right? So I went to do the task. In the process of doing the task, I went back with a well-written petition against the guy, explaining the bad things the guy is doing and how he's trying to accomplish something bad by using me, this, that. I drafted everything and submitted to the main Oga there. The Oga read it and understood what I was saying. They fired the guy. I learned it from somewhere that my friend that is a barrister now, respect, he taught me this trick. I'm not surprised that he later became a lawyer. You understand? He was born, some people are born with it. He was born with that trick. So don't allow people to put false accusation on your head. The best defense against false accusation is a counter false accusation. It's not defending yourself, trying to bring evidence. I'm not even going to prove that I'm correct. Bring my bank account. Those ones are for later stages. You understand? At that moment, in that heat of that accusation, pull up another one. In that moment, pull up another counter accusation. Make the whole topic about that person. Once the person is now being, defending themselves and being investigated, you can now bring out evidence that proves that you are innocent. Do you understand? Reverse everything. Even in arguments, sometimes you catch your girl cheating and she starts crying, or she starts gaslighting you, telling you, if I'm hanging out with a guy, doesn't mean I'm cheating with him. If I'm doing this, that. It's gaslighting you. You know that they are gaslighting you. So just be on the alert. That's the way it works. Not all human beings are good. The way some of you are trained in good homes, and all of us, we grew up in good, we are told to say the truth, and if you're accused wrongly, you defend yourself. That's not how the way life works. That's not the street. People come from different backgrounds where they are taught to be vicious and evil, and to switch up on things, and accuse people falsely, and even provide false evidence. You understand? So you have to play the hand that you are dealt. So if you say that I did juju, you did juju too. I know the native doctor that did juju for you. You won't try me. You told me that you are dating the manager of the company and that he can never fire you. That you once got pregnant for him and you aborted it. You told me, Abi. Even if the manager is there, manager, ask her what she told me. I'll scatter the whole company. See, if you put false accusation against me, the one that I'll put on your head, bro, if you say that I stole your money, bro, you told me that I'll just come up with a story. And my story will make more sense than your own. If you say I'm owing you, then I've never been able to pay back. Bro, you are owing me 12 million naira. And you promised to pay back only for you to go and use it and carry your Olosho at the hotel. You told me that the Olosho gave you STD. What I'm going... Bro, if you put false accusation against me, I'm going to put it 10 times more on your head. Best defense ever.